Renowned public affairs commentator and University of Technology UTech administrator Martin Henry was laid to rest today. His funeral service was held at the Kencut Seventh-day Adventist Church. Mr. Henry's dedicated service to public life also extended to the National Integrity Action NIA, where he served as director. At a church service to celebrate his life and work, CEO of the RGR Gleaner Communications Group, Gary Allen, recalled the selfless and committed contribution to the RGR Sunday news program, That's a Wrap.
A big part of the magnetic pull, Martin wrote, That's a Wrap brought is the audience. I am constantly amazed and deeply gratified at the extent and the engagement of listeners to the Sunday mid-afternoon program when acquaintances and complete strangers in the streets walk up and discuss chapter and verse of the program with me, said Martin. That's a Wrap, 10 years and counting, is a tagline that the program has, and I want to continue contributing. It makes me happy and useful to my fellow citizens, unquote. Those were Martin's words.
Meanwhile, broadcaster Faye Ellington also paid tribute to Mr. Henry. She noted his invaluable advice, which served as an inspiration.
As executive director, I personally benefited from Martin's measured advice, balanced opinion, and mature insights. This advice was more often than not very timely.